What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special pour going on. This is the Pouring with the Fellas collaboration, along with me and a couple other guys. I'll have everyone's channel linked below. You guys you guys should have just watched Dominik's video. He is before me, and before him was Lee from Masse Art Studio. So if you guys haven't watched their videos, make sure you guys go do that right now. After me is Left Brained Art. His name is David. So make sure you guys check him out after me at 5:45. And yeah, we just really gonna get straight into this pour today. I got a 24 by 36 inch canvas. I've never worked on this size before, so I'm excited about that. I got a pretty cool color palette. I think I'm gonna do a colored base instead of white and black. I'm gonna do the colors actually by Master's Touch. It is yellow deep, so kind of like a mustard yellow a little bit. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys go check out everyone's video that is a part of this collaboration. I want to get a huge thank you to Garrick Brown, who I said Garrick, sorry. I want to give a huge thank you to him because he invited me to be a part of this. I've only had my channel for 8 months, and it feels great to be a part of something like this because I watch all the other, artists do it. So it feels good. But enough talking. We're going to get down to this. Only got 15 minutes. Let's go. I didn't really think of a composition, but being that this is a larger canvas, we can really do whatever we want to do, So yeah. I'm trying to think. I'm going to start with brown, but I'm trying to think of the composition that I want to do. I'm going to go from here to maybe like swing around to about here. And then from here, I'll swing around to like that. Like kind of, I think that would be dope. Okay, so what I'll say about start there, and I'm going to bring it around to about here. Oops. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's get this baseline down.
Okay. Okay, there, and then from here to there. This is completely different from anything that I've done before as far as composition. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this brown down. Kind of sinking just a little bit.
Okay, brown is down. This is, what color did I say this was? What color is this? Cashew? It's not cashew. Hold on. I don't remember what color I said it was. Naples yellow. My goofy self. So we're gonna put that down. Oh, it shows up great on here. I was worried. Okay. And then we got cashew. Now we got fluorescent orange. my favorites. It's a really bright orange. Okay. Now comes light coral. Which kind of looks just like the other two colors I used. Light coral. Then I'm gonna add 24 karat gold. Ooh, gold is running. Okay, 24 karat gold. I really hope this composition comes out right, because this is really different. And then phthalo green. Super excited to use this color. And I'm gonna load it on. I'm gonna load it on pretty thick. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. I want it to be. Okay. This is really different. Really different. Okay. Let me get my blow dryer and let's blow this bad boy out. Okay, guys. I'm back. I got my blow dryer ready. I'm gonna pop these bubbles. Alrighty. I don't know what that is. Alright, let's blow her out. I actually want to start. I'm going to start here and blow like out here. Okay, let's go. I like that. I like that. Okay. I'm going to come on this side and blow this. I actually like it. This is really different. I wanted a lot of negative space, but I'm wondering, should I add some more? Like maybe just right in here? What do you guys think? Where am I at? I don't know how many minutes I'm at. Should I add some more? So it'll be like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it really quick. I really like how it turned out, you guys. Okay. Trying to speed through this really fast. I also, like I said, I want to give a huge shout out to Garrick for inviting me to be a part of this All Guys collab. It's really an honor, I feel like. All the guys who are a part are all really talented. Everybody's got their own style of doing things. I love Dutch pours though, because I'm a huge fan of Canela Sirocco. If you guys don't know that already, love her. Molly's Artistry, Renska Downa, Mina Villegas, Sarah Mack, Lori McDonald, I think that's her name. Olga Solby, I think that's her name. I watch all of those women paint, and they all do an amazing job. I love their channels. Let me blow this out. Ooh. Okay. I like it. I'm just gonna I'm gonna blow right in here with my mouth. Ooh, I can't really turn it. Let me move these bottles out the way. I hope I'm doing good on time, because these videos are only supposed to be 15 minutes. Then the next one. Make sure you guys go check out the next artist. Goes by the name of David. His channel is Left Brained Artist or Art, something like that. Make sure you guys check him out. He is next. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna blow right in here. Pull my shirt back. I kind of want to blow in here some more. I'm not sure if I should do it or not. Break up some of that green. Yeah. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna do it off camera because I can't get to it. But I like it. I like it a lot. It's kind of like, I don't know. I like it a lot. I think it's dope. Perfect. Let me bring you guys down for a close-up. I think it looks great. I think it looks really great. These colors work very well together with this base. Happy to know that. Yeah, let me get you down and show you guys this. All right, you guys. I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. I like how it came out. So this is the side that I added. See some shimmer in there from the gold. Came out really nice. I really like it. That green is gonna dry really dark. I fiddled with this a little bit, so I added that. I don't like this over here, that green. So when it dries, I'm probably gonna paint over it. But I'll show you guys the rest of the piece. Yes, sir. I added that as well. I like that though. I think that's dope. There's just so much color under here. But I'm gonna leave it alone because I've been messing with it off camera for a while now. And then I'll back up and let you guys see the whole piece. And boom, there you have it. Like I said, this is a 24 by 36 inch canvas. I'll try to come up a little higher like that. I really, really, really like the composition a lot. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I really, 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 really would appreciate it. Make sure you guys go check out David, who's next up. I'll have his channel linked below, along with everyone else who is a part of this collab. Thank you again to Garrick, who brought this to my attention. I'm really thankful, and I'm just happy to be a part of it. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Good night.